To change your Doordash location to a different state, follow these steps. First, open the Doordash app on your mobile device and log into your account. Next, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. From the menu, select Account to access your account settings. In the Account section, scroll down to the Preferences or Settings option and select it. Look for the Location or Address option and tap on it to edit your current location. You may be prompted to enter your new address, so type in the address of the location you want to switch to in the different state. Make sure to include the city, state, and zip code if you do not see the option to change your location directly. You may need to delete and reinstall the Doordash app. When reinstalling, make sure to log into your account and allow the app to access your location. The app will then prompt you to enter your location, and you can enter the new address in the different state. It is essential to note that changing your location may affect the availability of certain restaurants and services. Additionally, Doordash may have specific rules and regulations regarding location changes, so it is crucial to review their terms and conditions before making any changes. By following these steps, you can easily change your Doordash location to a different state and start exploring new restaurants and services. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of the app and be aware of any potential limitations or restrictions when changing your location.